Please be seated. Prynawn a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good afternoon and welcome to Cardiff University and to this, our graduation ceremony for 2026. My name is Gareth Powell and I have the immense privilege and honour of being a Pro-Chancellor of Cardiff University. We begin by saying congratulations to all of you who have put in such effort and enthusiasm and will receive your awards today. We are here to celebrate the hard-working and remarkable class of 2026. We celebrate your achievements and your work in the schools of modern languages, of history, archaeology and religion, and of Welsh. While you have been students with us, you will have worked in partnership with a remarkably diverse, talented, and committed community of academics. Those of you graduating from the School of Modern Languages will have developed and will go on developing a knowledge and a talent to become confident linguists with a strong intercultural understanding of the globe. Those of you who have been students in the School of Welsh have become aware of the deep significance of Welsh language and culture and its possibility of enabling us to transform and build communities. And those of you from the School of History, Archaeology and Religion have developed a mix of practical, intellectual and critical skills that help all of us understand deep and significant questions about life and the future of the planet. Your schools, this university, is proud of your achievement, of all that you have done and all that you will go on to do, the knowledge and the talent that you have developed as members of Cardiff University. Your Cardiff qualification tells the world not simply that you have worked hard, but that you have a passion for human inquiry, for intellectual stimulation, and you take that with you as you embark on the next stage of your life with confidence and hope. Thank you all for your contributions to the life of your schools and to this university. Now, I hope you can savour your achievements and enjoy the day, the memories that are formed in these moments and the memories in the celebration of the day ahead. And those of you who have come to support those receiving their awards, you are here to celebrate and to congratulate them. So please, when you hear their name called out, don't feel shy. This is not the moment to hold back, but celebrate with them in making a joyful noise of congratulation. I now have pleasure in introducing Cynwyl ap Myddin. Cynwyl, who will read to us the proclamation which formally opens this degree congregation, but also a poem commissioned especially for Cardiff University graduation ceremonies, commissioned from the Welsh Poet Laureate, Gwyneth Lewis. Many of you will have encountered her work, for it stands on the front of the Wales Millennium Centre, thought to be the largest poem in the world. Gwyneth was writer in residence at the University School of Physics and Astronomy and is now an honorary fellow. Her poem, Education, says a great deal about today, and I hope you will enjoy not only it, but this celebration. Diolch yn fawr.
Addysg, Education gan Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio gwella dy wneud, mynag eisio parchaf ddweud. Trawsnewidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol menter o bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is a simple delight in mind and its motions, scintillates but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institutes. It's the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortened distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. Byddaf nawr yn darllen y datganiad, yn gyntaf yn Gymraeg ac yna'n Saesneg. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydded wybod I holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, Mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd wedi archwilio'n sydd yn rhynwedd eu hasidiaethau a'i ysgol heictod wedi'w archwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau y brifysgol ac wedi'w cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlo'n lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, ac wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb I rannu gwerthoedd y brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd I geisio trwy eu cyflawniadau wasanaethu lles pawb. Ymdrechu am yr agoriaeth ym mhob peth a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoethineb gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith ac wirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today, in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degree. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation and in doing so remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek through their achievement to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chi yr addedigion 2026.
Shmai, I'm Sean, and I've been your VP postgraduate for the past year at Cardiff Students' Union. Firstly, congratulations. It is a privilege to be standing here today, celebrating not only your academic achievements, but also the incredible community you have built along the way. Whether you found your place through a job, a club, a society, your course, or even the PGR office, these are the friendships that will stay with you for years to come. We know it hasn't been easy to get here. Each of you has faced challenges and overcome obstacles to reach this moment. But you made it, and that is something to be truly proud of. And today is about celebrating every individual journey that brought you here. As you look back on your time at Cardiff, I hope you do so with a strong sense of belonging and pride. For many of you, this was your first time moving away from home, whether from Aberystwyth, Aberdeen, or even Argentina. Wherever you joined us from, Cardiff has become a part of your story, and no matter where life takes you next, you will always have a home here. You're not leaving Cardiff with just a degree. You're leaving with life experiences, opportunities, and memories that will last a lifetime. Whether it was pulling all-nighters in the SSL, late-night YOLOs, or quiet walks and coffee in Butte Park, you made it through. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life, and we wish you all the best. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Congratulations, class of 2026.
Prynawn da iawn I chi gyd. Good afternoon to all of you. Braf iawn a croesawu I chi gyd i'r seremoni orfoleddus hon. Fy enw I yw'r athro Damien Morford-Davies. My name's Professor Damien Morford-Davies and I'm Provost and Deputy Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. My job today is a delight, and it's a very simple one. It is to warmly welcome all students actually to receive their award. I'll say something more about that in a moment. That is the part of the ceremony where the students' names are read out by my colleagues, senior members of the university. Dyma foment fawr yn graddedigion ni a'i cyfle nhw wrth gwrs I sereni. Gair o gyngor, let's reach an agreement on something. You've heard this before. I am merely going to emphasize it. Let's celebrate the achievement of our students as they cross the stage with much clapping, much cheering, loud is good, continual clapping for all who cross the stage is good. Sean mentioned individual journeys, your individual journeys in reaching this space. There's also an individual journey from that side of the stage to that side of the stage, and it's a longer journey than you think. So I need you to be resilient, and I need you to keep up the clapping, as I know you will, for each and every one of them. A range of joyful noises will be appreciated. If you can emit noises that the human voice box has not yet emitted, that is also very good. Ni'n deall yn gilydd yn iawn. Do we have a deal? Good. There we go. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and have returned to their seats, a little magic happens. They will be asked to stand, and it's a tradition for me to speak in Welsh at that point to receive each group of students to their awards. And I'll say something around that moment, not to delay us, but it is an interesting distinction to draw. Graduates receive their degrees. At the moment, the Pro-Vice-Chancellor for Education and Student Experience signs a document back in one of the Cardiff University buildings. It is in this ceremony, however, that students come into their degrees, are invested, if you like, ceremonially with their degrees. The Welsh phrase I will use translates as follows. Wrth gwrs, nid oes angen esboniad ar y Cymru Cymraeg. Through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. And in Welsh, trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil, and then the fairy dust of the word, and you've heard it a number of times already, llongyfarchiadau, the big word. Congratulations, and we mean it. Listen out for llongyfarchiadau. I now introduce my colleague, Professor Vicky Cummings, representative of the School of History, Archaeology and Religion, who will present the students for their awards. Diolch, Vicky.
I, Professor Vicky Cummings, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Arts. Megan Crompton. George Hooker. Faith Adams. Javisha Aragwal. Patrick Agnew. Holly Alexander. Elliot Allen. Maggie Appleton. Molly Arneson. Andrew Arutschlaman. Emma Ashdown. Georgie Atley. Daniel Baker. Mina Baker. Patricia Bammons. Lucy Barfield. James Barker. John Barnby. Emar Barnett. Nancy Barrell. Otto Bellac. Charlotte Bennett. William Beryl. Charlotte Berry. Camille Bawalal. Joseph Blackburn. Orla Bolter. Joel Bouvet. Connor Boyling. Imogen Bradley. Callum Brewer. Emily Brooks. Amber Brooks. Jared Bullitt. Ella Burrows. Erin Burrows. Gabriella Bushutil. Abigail Butler. Ross Button. Abraham Kine. Tom Caldwell. Alec Campbell Baldwin. Jessica Carey. Isabel Carpenter. Poppy Carrady Sparns. Jack Carroll. Finlay Cartwright. Sam Chalona. Benjamin Chambers. Arthur Charlesworth. Poppy Clark. Iris Clark-Williams. Isabel Clatworthy. Adam Clay. Rose Clifford. Daniel Cole. Neil Cole. Sydney Condliffe. Lenny Caulfield. Jack Cornett. Charlie Costa. Thomas Kund. Cameron Covell. Emma Craig. Lucinda Craig Jones. Katie Crew. Archie Crick. Molly Crombie. Jack Crowther. Isabel Querden. Jessica Cumming. Sophie Curley. Pamela Daniel. Jed Davis. Louis DeMaria. Ted Dean. Elizabeth Desborough. Oliver Dorr. Robert Doherty. Benjamin Douglas Freeman. Molly Down. Isabel Doyle. Rebecca Driscoll. Griff Dyer Stevens. Sarah Zucconine. Harrison Edwards. Nia Ellis Williams. Molly Evans. Poppy Evans. Jake Everly. Griffin Fay. Daisy Fisher. Emma Fearam. James Fortune. Olivia Francis. Lewis Francis MacLeod. Jamie Fraser. Liam Gent. Zachary Gibson. Aliana Gilani. Caitlin Gilmore. Freddie Goldthorpe. Lily Goss. Alexander Grant. James Grant. Devon Green. Esme Greenwood. Leah Griffiths. Jonathan Guy. Elspeth Harmon Sully. Maxwell Harper. William Harris. Abdirahman Hassan. Douglas Hassan. Ella Hathaway. Megan Hawley. William Head. Rebecca Herndon. Abigail Hennigan. Kira Henry. Gabriel Herbert. Reuben Herriot Garwood. Cassandra Higgins. Roscoe Sinclair Hill. Will Hillier. William Hinton. Matilda Hitchens. Connor Holland. Amy Honeybun. Jude Howes. Lachlan Howes Yarlett. Charles Hudson Cox. Gabriel Hyde. Abigail Ibrahim. Daniel James. Emily James. Yestin James. Maya Iris James. Violet James Gillam. Pavel Jaslewski. Alfie Jensen. Beatrice John. Scarlett John. Adam Jones. Alan Beth Jones. Hugh Jones. Megan Jones. Neve Karcher, Hassan Karadag, Simajot Kaur, Connor Lucas Day, Arthur Kellerman, Thomas Kelly, Elliot Kennedy, Orla Kenny, Lewis Kettle, Nidar Khan, Megan King, Holly Laws, Annabelle Leather, Charlotte Leith, Ben Lennon, Eva Lewis, Isabel Lewis, Carlin Lewis, Siri Lee, Alicia Little, Jai Lonergan, Ethan Lord, Catherine Lord, Jonathan Liu, Freddie Luffman, Rebecca Mahn, Zara Malvia, Rosalind Mannering, Willow Marston, Harriet Martin, Charlotte Massa, Harvey Matthews, Saskia McAllister, Jake McCarthy, Henry McGeehan, Madeline McEwen, Lola Evans-Meaden, Florence Melvin, Benjamin Michael, Thomas Millward, Max Modler, Sophie Malloy, Cameron Moody, Aben Morgan, David Morland, Kai Morris, Wilfred Morris, Elizabeth Aurelia Moss, George Marl, Thomas Munton, Katie May Murray, Safia Musa, Poppy Mary Pegler, Jack Newman, Edward Newson, Brodie Niven Davis, James Noble, Marcus O'Brien, Ifram Odenore, Alexa Openshaw, Ella Whiting, Oro Whiting, Liz Pay, Karen Owen, Lucy Owen, Carwyn Owens, Gregory Owens, Archie Owen Wilson, Alice Oxford, Isabel Paddy, James Painting. Ellen Palmer. Amelia Parker. Hannah Parkman. Rebecca Parry-Jones. Jake Pierce. Henry Pegg. Hugh Penger. Francesca Perez. Adam Perry. James Petto. Eddie Pettit. Madeline Phillips. Lauren Pill. Freddie Pitts-Tucker. Elena Grace Pope. Esme Powell. Kian Powell. Joseph Power Hosking. Charlie Prater. Jonathan Pratt. Isabel Price. Benjamin Pritchard. Isabel Pugsley. Megan Pike. Nicholas Quinn. Eason Rashid. James Rawlinson. Daisy Ray. Amelia Repton. Freya Richards. Noah Richards. Anna Rickards. Solomon Rigg. Lydia Risley. Chris Ritchie. Daniel Roberts. Emily Roberts. Joe Roberts. Luca Robinson. Ellis Roderick. Daria Romanzuk Theodovics. Elizabeth Roper. Gethin Rose Jones. Mia Ross. Anna Rowlands. Hamish Russell. Isabel Salmons. Samuel Seepers. Cameron Sells. Charlotte Simmons. Sophie Smith. Dylan Sollett. Sam Summers. Francesca Seville. Alfie Staples. Thomas Stevens. Nicholas Stevenson. Johanna Stewart Valera. Rowan Stilleon. Josephine Stratton. Erin Stride. Isabel Stringer. Henry Sullivan. Ellie Sumner. Lydia Swift. Isabel Taylor. Bo Texia. Gwennon Thomas. Megan Thomas. Holly Thornton. Yestin Tilley. Melissa Tipley West. Milena Todobrinich. Sam Towson. Zach Trahan. Kira O'Donnell Troy. Merrin Truscott Davis. Leander Truans. Lynette Thorne. Sophie May Tucker. Ben Turbeville. Nikita Tutus. Liliana Valducci. Canwen Vincent. Joseph Walk. Jack Walker. Rowan Walker. William Waters. Dylan Webster. Olivia Welsh. Robin Wellaway. Freya West. Kellis Wharton-Jones. Laura Whittle. Patricio White Rojas. Adam Wilkinson. Caris Williams. Gwenuvia Williams. Oliver Williams. Ocean Williams. Sean Williams. Tegan Williams. Caitlin Wilmore. Oscar Wilson. Jessica Wools. Jack Yo. Sam York. Tom York. Evelyn Yule. Kira Young. Finn Yule. I, Professor Vicky Cummings, now introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Sophie Bell. Megan Bond. Abigail Kaplan. Iona Chambers. Kate Cole. Caitlin Davis. Ella de Boer. Flora de la Poor Monsell. Indiana Edwards. Charlotte Flower. Hugh Goldsborough. Alice Cayley. Owen Lewis. J. Lloyd Evans. Rebecca Mann. Olivia Max. Eden McHenry. Nathan McCallan. Mia Openshaw. Isolde Rowlands. William Scoble. Gabrielle Wright. I, Professor Vicky Cummings, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Theology. Maria Rabasua.
I, Dr. Caroline Lynch, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Arts. Theodora Ackers. Hamza Roslan Allen. Ijaz Fauzi Mahmed. Hania Ala. Megan Louisa Allen. Zoe Andrews. Brendan Jeff Ashford. Neve Bailey. Josh Baker. Isabella Barber. Isabel Barnes. Lily Rose Barnett. Romilly Beaumont. Ewan Beat. Georgia Bell. William Bennett. Edie Besant. Lauren Bourne. Alfonso Broadbent. Emily Grace Elizabeth Brown. Annabelle Bygrave. Eve Carden Brown. Grace Claridge. Kitty Connolly. Elliot John Crabtree. Freya Curry. Isabella Davidson. Chloe Louise Davies. Dan Davison. Pedro de Sousa Tindal. Megan Delport. Finley DePierre. Francesca De Ronda. Isabel Diamond. Matilda Grace Doust. Marcus Duck. Kira Macy Duggan. Olivia Louise Flindle. Zoe Gallian. Lucy Gammon. Tia Olivia Ganner. Claudia Giggins. George Giles. Rachel Grayston. Mrs. Carola Graziana Davies. Lewis Griffiths. Christina Gutierrez Garland. Stavrula Christina Haji Chambi. Louise Hatherley. Lauren Hazeldine. Montgomery Ewan Heath. Matthew James Hickman. Louise Higgins. Mia Emily Hodgson. Freya Holt. Ellen Howell. William U.D. Jackson. Darcy James. Martha Jinks. Cara Jones. Laura Josie. Evelyn Kerr. Olivia Kinsack. Tobias Lawson. Alicia Leach. Reese Llewellyn Price. Amelia Luxmore. Caris McLeod. Sophie Maggie Connor. Milan Melicky. Grace Maskell. Rosie Elizabeth Mason. Hannah Mathers. Anna Matthews. Africa McBurney. Bethany Ann MacDonald. Orla McGarren. Mayas Jones. Lila Melnikivakova. Wilhelmina Mendez. Susanna Mezarova. Liliana Jill Miller. Maddie Moore. Caitlin Moran. Katie Mullally. Samantha Murray. Penny Mullen. Nicole Elizabeth Norgard. Elizabeth Oates. Natalia Alicia Ototska. Lucy Owens. Ali Palmer. Isabella Ama Pierce-Baini Vasquez. Gracie Judith Penrose. Madeline Percy. Martha Esperanza Powell. Star Aurora Marie Stage Powell. Ellen Power. Joshua Price. Alessandra Prince. Margarita Puccinella. Annalise Querens. Charlotte Rasmussen. Harry George Richards. Tawan Roomtrakoon. Sasha Eve Ryan King. Francesca Scott. Catherine Thiel. Sophia Silvia. Louis Edward George Slack. Claudia Rose Smith. Louis Smith. Leonardo Francisco Spallone. Emma Kathleen Stevens. Joseph Streeter. Emily Alice Sturdy. Dylan Thomas. Sophia Turner Urdia. Paulina Anna Ushak. Hannah Vera Morris. Ben Walker. Leila Owen Warren. Isabella Thea Singh-Watt. Alana Webb. Shanice Williams. Samantha Woolley. Isaac Yahia. Rachel Cern Yi Wuwun. Mateusz Jajablo. I, Dr. Caroline Lynch, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Jasper Drew. Benjamin Andrew Mulrain Allen. I, Dr. Caroline Lynch, introduce those who have studied the degree of Bachelor of Theology. Lynette Thorne.
Rwy fi, Dr Dylan Foster Evans, yn cyflwyno'r rhai sydd wedi derbyn gradd baclor yn y celfyddydau. Beca Bowen. Gwernan Rebecca Brooks. Erin Wyn Davies. Gwenno Lily Davies. Swyn Elin Davies. Sean Wyn Evans. Barbara Holt. Myfanwy Grig Lewis. Swyn Owen. Lily Harv Ray. Anna Rebecca Roberts. Benjamin Roberts. Heledd Roberts. Ellen Morlais Williams. Hannah Megan Williams. Bydd y dirprwy is-ganghellor yn nawr yn cyflwyno'r dyfarniad.
Da iawn chi, cymeradwyaeth, loyw, lew, gynaliadwy, gwydn iawn, da iawn. There's some pockets of amazing noise from here, some good unearthly stuff from here, and some really disturbing sounds you wouldn't want to wake up to around the back. We want more of this. Am wnaeth y rhai sydd newydd groes y llwyfan sefyll, os gwelwch yn dda. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd i mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. I'll go on then. I'll just a little more then. Come on, a little more. Da iawn, diolch yn fawr iawn. Steddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Please sit.
I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Susan Rhodes. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Arts. Maria Alice Armstrong. Delith Badr. Lisa Mackley. Robert Bailey. Toby Bendel. Dylan Owain Bond. Jacob Camilleri. Isabel Capewell. James Cherry. Alice Daniel. Natasha Davey. Charlie Davis. Harriet Davis. Megan Louise Davison. Heligan Alice Edwards. Katie Edwards. Emir Evans. Dylan Fowler. Mary Heleth Heffin. Hannah Brealey Huxley. Georgia Jenkins. Charles Johnston. Carolina Jurek. Alice Lloyd. Jessica and Harold Martin. Alid McTurk. Darcy Miller. Charlie Mosley. Caitlin Gillian Newman. Evelina Novitska. Malachi Payne. Iga Konstantina Podgorska. Thomas Henry Pugh. Sesha Putkis. Maya Reid. Millie Rice-Jones. Daisy Ellen Roth. Bethan Sanders. Eleni Hafsas. Elizabeth Sarah Martin Speakman. Andrea Spence. Eleni Thomas. Megan Rose Thomas. Catherine Foyts. Isabel Valerio. Joseph William Bart. Rose Ellen Walker. Molly Watson. Kai Tudor Williams. Ridian Ellis William Thomas. Atsushi Yamamura. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Antonia Anderson Price Hood. Zoe Devin Bell. Georgina Clifton. Emily Sarah Jane Connell. Rhys Simon Cowdery Howes. Caris Rhiannon Davies. Tyrion Ileri Davies. Kimberly Elizabeth Ann Dowding. Jasmine Drover. Catherine Elliott. Georgia Gould-Jones. Cecil Hall. Chen Ni Kwao. Connor Lawler. Shelby Georgina Long. Isabel Amy Loxton. Alice Maybe. Rocio Daniela Martinez Godi. Alexandra Meek. Jessica Morgan. Aaron O'Shea. Phoebe Emily Piper. Neve Rust. Martha Sims. Lauren Waite. James Waite. Abigail Wood. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Theology. Natalie Jane Morgan. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Da iawn chi eto ar ran y gymeradwyaeth. Diolch yn fawr iawn. What's lovely are there's two-way traffic going on, the two-way glances out to loved ones and the purveyors of the unearthly cries in the audience, but also the glances and the thanks thrown to the academic staff behind me. A wnaeth y rhai sydd newydd groes y llwyfan sefyll os gwelwch yn dda. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers, who will doff in return. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Sheridan Clements. Dr. Joel Curzon. Dr. Ana Garcia Espinosa. Dr. David Christopher Gifford. Dr. Meredith Harriet Hood. Dr. Jacob Robert Speed Lloyd. Dr. Peter Meehan. Dr. Alexander Morgan. Dr. Claire Parry. Dr. Rhys Peregrine. Dr. Jessica Georgia Shales. Dr. Johanna Karina Thunberg. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
This is like being at the Azteca. Excellent. A wnaeth y rhai sydd newydd groes y llwyfan sefyll os gwelwch yn dda. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd i mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Stefach os gwelwch yn dda.
Prynhawn da, bawb. Elin Lloyd-Jones ydw i, pennaeth ymgysylltu busnes a partneriaethau yn y Brifysgol. Mae'n fraint cael cyflwyno rhan bwysig hon o'r seremoni heddiw, a llongyfarchiadau i bawb sy'n graddio heddiw. Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Elin Lloyd-Jones, and I'm the Head of Business Engagement and Partnerships at Cardiff. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations to all who are graduating today. We come to the part of the ceremony that celebrates distinguished people for outstanding contributions within their field and to society. I Gaerdydd, Cymru a'r byd, to Cardiff, Wales and the world. Dyma gyfle I nodi ein hedmygedd, ein balchder a'n diolch wrth gyflwyno cymrodoriaethau a graddau anrhydedd. Mae'n fraint felly cael cyflwyno Dr Neil Bentley Gochman yn gymrodyr anrhydedd. Today, we recognise Dr Neil Bentley Gochman with the award of an honorary fellowship. His success is part of your day's success. Neil Bentley Gochman is a transformational leader working across government, business and civil society in the UK and internationally. The hallmarks of his career have been authenticity, collaboration, and a commitment to improving equality, diversity, and inclusion. Currently the CEO of Whitehall and Industry Group, he joined at a time when the charity's purpose of improving cross-sector collaboration and leadership to boost economic growth and prosperity across the UK has become ever more important. Neil is chair of the World Skills Global Research Council, having served 8 years as CEO of World Skills UK. And during that time, he was credited with positioning the organisation as a unique and innovative contributor to the UK skills system, which has bettered the lives of countless students, apprentices, further education staff and other partners. Neil was previously Deputy Director General and Chief Operating Officer at the UK business organisation, the CBI, working for 12 years at the highest level of the business and government interface, both nationally and internationally. Prior to that, he worked on European employee relations in global IT services and publishing. He studied French, German and European politics here at our university and completed his PhD on race discrimination in the workplace here at Cardiff 2. In 2019, Neil was awarded an OBE for services to the LGBT diversity and inclusion agenda. He's also a trustee of the Think and Do tank Power to Change, championing the role of community businesses in socio-economic development. Neil's story offers a powerful reminder that leadership is not just about titles, it's about impact. It's about using your skills, your voice, and your values to make a difference. As we celebrate Neil, we celebrate the possibilities that lie ahead for each of you. May his example inspire you to lead with integrity and to never underestimate the change one person can spark. Fe gyflwynaf Neil yn nawr I gael ei anrhydeddu. I will now present the distinguished individual who is to be awarded an honorary fellowship of Cardiff University. Anrhydeddus ddirprwy isganghellor, cyflwynaf I chi Neil Bentley Gochman sydd i'w dderbyn yn gymrodyr anrhydedd Prifysgol Caerdydd. Deputy Vice-Chancellor, I present to you Neil Bentley Gochman to be accepted as an honorary fellow of Cardiff University.
Neil, drwy'r awdurdod ar ôl dod i mi gyda cyngor, derbyniaf chi fel Cymrawd Anrhydedd Prifysgol Caerdydd. Llongyfarchiadau mawr i chi.
Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr, Ellen, and everybody, thank you very much. Wow. Hello, everybody. This is an incredible honor, and it's a real pleasure to receive it today with all of you, as you stand on the threshold of new possibilities. And I know this because over 30 years ago, I sat where you're sitting today. And I love Cardiff University for what it helped me achieve in work and life, and I know it's going to do the same for you. I often say that while I was born and brought up in Belfast, I was made in Cardiff. The knowledge, the skills and confidence that my education here gave me, and will have given you too, means you will go far. So as you step out into the world, full of complex challenges, remember to use your skills that you've gained, to stay curious, be courageous, and say yes to the opportunities that are coming your way, however daunting they might seem. Be optimistic and be ambitious. Be ambitious for better things and work hard. Work hard to make change happen. And remember always to be inclusive, because your progress and your success is a shared endeavor. I know this because my own success has been built on relationships forged here in Cardiff, a community for life, which gave me the confidence to come out here in the late 1990s as gay. And I met my husband here. He was studying architecture. He's up on the balcony. And that was over 30 years ago, and we still have a circle of friends to this day from that time who sustain and nourish us. Mostly, it has to be said, involving gin, wine, and beer. So be true to yourself. Build on your skills, keep your friends close, and step forward with confidence. I know you will, because you're graduating from Cardiff University. You'll do yourselves proud, you'll do your families proud, and you'll do Cardiff proud. So congratulations to you all.
I'm profoundly conscious, in light of what's just been said, that all that stands between you and gin, wine, and beer is me. But I want to add my own congratulations to all of you who have received awards today. For you now join the extraordinary network and community of Cardiff University alumni. You will go on to do very different and diverse things with the qualifications you have earned. And some of you, like our honorary fellow today, will take on high profiles. Others of you will make a quieter but nonetheless significant commitment to local communities. And all of these things shape not only our responsibility as graduates, but our responsibility of citizens in a global community. For Cardiff has given you very much more than a degree. You have been encouraged to ask questions, to challenge conventional wisdom, and you have shown a willingness, a determination, and a spirit, all of the hallmarks of Cardiff University. For some of you, today may be tinged with a degree of sadness as you say goodbye to a city where the sun always shines. Well, it has done for the last fortnight, so. This vibrant, multicultural and diverse city has been the backdrop to the start of very different things for you. But Cardiff University will always be your university. And as members of the alumni community, I very much hope you will come back and visit often, that you will stay in touch. On Friday night, some 1,000 members of the alumni community will join the first ever big reunion weekend, reconnecting and reflecting on all that Cardiff means to them. And I very much hope that you will join in your own reunion events, and that your returning will be something that you look forward to. For wherever your qualification takes you, you have become a flag bearer for a remarkable university, and I hope you will carry that with you. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments such as this. It does not translate easily into English, but means something about the depth of emotion and memory that is profoundly lodged within the human heart. I hope you will carry hiraeth for Cardiff University with you at all times. Before you go to your celebrations, I hope that those of you who have received degrees today will now share in one last tradition at Cardiff. Those who have come to support you have made a great and glorious noise in celebration of all that you have achieved. But you have been supported by them, loved ones, friends, family, an extraordinarily committed and talented community of academics and support staff who have given of their time and energy to enable you to flourish. So I invite now all of you who have received your degree today to stand, please, if you are able. And in gratitude of the support, the late-night telephone calls, the encouragement and the urging on, and you never know, perhaps even the odd bit of money that's gone to get you where you are, but we'll gloss over that for the moment. I'd like you to turn to them and say thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr. Please do sit down. To close this degree congregation, we will now watch a film welcoming you to the Cardiff University alumni family. I hope it reflects something of your experience and something of your endeavours. At the end of the film, please stand as the platform party will leave the stage, followed by the graduates. Enjoy the rest of your celebration and all that life holds for you. Diolch yn fawr.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare and Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. first dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe. The new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheese drive.
and we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o'r hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli. People who tried to shelter us with broken brollies. People who helped us find our limits and push them out the way. People who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared. A day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael ar fryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late-night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at our team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy myd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
Years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.
Mae'r arena nawr ar gau. Ewch yn syth at yr llanfa agosaf os gwelwch yn dda. The arena is now closed. Please make your way to the nearest exit immediately.